Unlocking Emotional Intelligence, your path to personal and professional growth. Welcome, future changemakers. Today, we embark on an inspiring journey to unlock the immense potential of emotional intelligence, or EQ. EQ is your ability to recognize, understand, and channel emotions, both yours and others. It's more than a skill. It's your superpower for building meaningful relationships, making sound decisions, and improving your well-being. Let's dive into transformative strategies to elevate your inner and outer world. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of emotional intelligence. It's about understanding your emotions, strengths, and limitations. Start here. Keep a journal to reflect on your daily experiences and emotions. Try mindfulness meditation. It sharpens your emotional clarity. Evaluate yourself honestly to identify growth areas. Knowing yourself unlocks the door to controlling your reactions and aligning your actions with your values. Remember, self-awareness is the first step toward self-mastery. Empathy fuels connection. It's how we bridge gaps and build trust. Strengthen this skill by listening actively. Focus on not just words, but emotions. Asking genuine questions to foster thoughtful dialogue. Observing body language to grasp unspoken feelings. Empathy transforms every interaction into an opportunity to uplift and understand others deeply. How you communicate can elevate or derail a message. Mastering this means using I statements to own your emotions without blame. Practicing assertiveness to express yourself honestly yet kindly. Welcoming feedback, it's your pathway to growth and stronger relationships. With clear communication, you'll wield influence and strengthen every connection you make. Stress and emotions don't control you, you control them. Manage them like a pro by breathing deeply to reset in moments of tension. Staying active to promote a healthy mind-body balance. Rewriting negative thoughts into empowering affirmations. Mastering your emotions equips you to lead with resilience and positivity no matter what challenges arise. Students, your EQ journey begins now. Each small step you take builds a better you. By cultivating self-awareness, empathy, communication skills, and resilience, you're setting yourself up for success in every area of life. Remember, emotional intelligence isn't just a tool. It's the foundation of a fulfilled, impactful life. Your future self will thank you.